They're off. Seek to Destroy came out well. On the far outside, Smooth Bert's got speed too, and firing through on the inside is American Creed, with Joe Mooch away running in fourth position right behind them. Then Leilani's Ticket, Jeter on the outside, and the trailer is Blue Chips Only. American Creed makes the pace here. Seek to Destroy's alongside, Smooth Bert outside of them, and they run by the opening quarter mile in 22 3/5 seconds. These three race across the track. Jeter circles up on the outside into fourth. The favorite Leilani's Ticket is fifth, 2 lengths off the lead and in between horses. Then Joe Mooch sixth on the inside, and Blue Chips Only around the far turn, and Smooth Bert has garnered command here. Smooth Bert racing well off the rail and clear now by 2 as they come toward the top of the stretch. Cutting the corner is American Creed in second, and then it's Seek to Destroy, Leilani's Ticket, Jeter 4 wide, and they're into the stretch, and they have to get going now to catch Smooth Bert. Smooth Bert down to the 8th pole. Now 5, 6 in front. Smooth Bert is pouring it on here as they come down to the 16th pole. Left the others behind. American Creed and Jeter are next, but it's all Smooth Bert. He won by about 10 in the end. Jeter got second, and then American Creed and Seek to Destroy. Number 8, Smooth Bert was first. Number 7, Jeter was second. Number 2, American Creed was third. And number 5, Seek to Destroy was fourth. Hold all tickets until it's official. Final time 1 minute 16.80 seconds.